a few simple, very easy to follow, or at least easy to identify things to do. One, of course, is when you're looking to get additional insured coverage, typically by way of a contract with another party, you really have to just think carefully about what is the coverage that we need. What are the risks that arise from this contract, from this relationship? What do we want to be sure we are protected against by way of the additional insured coverage? So that's number one. Make sure you've identified the risks and that your contract properly requires coverage to be provided and additional insured coverage to be provided for those risks. Second thing is, don't take things for granted. Too often, I see clients who have received additional insured coverage in their contracts, they're happy about that, and then they forget about it. When a claim comes along, a loss arises, they forget that they have the additional insured coverage. So really the second thing is take advantage of it. Don't forget that it's there. Be sure that when a loss arises and you can look to another party's insurance as an additional insured, that you take advantage of it. And don't rely on that party that gave you the additional insured coverage to do all the work. As an additional insured, you can give notice to the insurer, you can submit a claim, you can demand performance. Don't rely on the other party to do all the work for you, because if they fail to do it, you're not going to rely on the fact that they failed as an excuse with the insurance company. If there's non-performance, the insurer will take advantage of that, and whether the non-performance was due to your fault or the other party's fault, you're still out of luck. And the third thing I would say is just be sure that you've got proper provisions that require documentation and follow-up. Be sure that you can get a copy of the policy or policies where you're an additional insured upon reasonable request of the other party. Be sure that you get certificates of insurance that confirm that that additional insured coverage has actually been given. Be sure that you have the opportunity to be notified if there's any material change in that coverage where you are an additional insured, or if there's a cancellation of the coverage. You want to know that and want to be sure that you're in the loop so that you can be sure that your additional insured interests are fully protected from cradle to grave.